out what to do with all this. So I moved it there. I might scoot it this way, or I might scoot it that way. I decided I'm not going to go against the bed. So I'm going to get a desk and put it right here at some point. Here's the final